and we appreciate the participation of energy students. Now, here are the winners. I request Amarjit to hand over the prize to the students. From the class 1 category, the winner is class 1A roll number 1, Achilles Taurangmo. And next from class 2 category, class 2A roll number 27, Andre Mayong Naim. Andre Mayong Naim, class 2A roll number 27. Absent. The next from class 3 category, class 3A roll number 32, Purnada Laisram. Next from class 4 category, class 4A roll number 12, Kenmani Ilangom. Class 4A roll number 12, Kenmani Ilangom. And next from class 5 category, class 5C roll number 25, Okram Lansen Bamete. Next from class 6 category, class 6C roll number 24, Nevazit Pangmon. And next from class 7 category, class 7A roll number 24, Ninthojan Niranjoy Singh. And last, for class 8 category, class 8A roll number 12, Korau Laisram. Thank you, winners. Thank you.